it's a lot. Yeah, with the 16 gauge and the 12 gauge and the 300 blackout. Yeah. Lynn Coates, thank you. He gets charged. Facts don't fit one person. He's exonerated. Can he be charged with conspiracy? Nope.
If they acquit him,
he hired someone else.
Done.
Nope. If he's acquitted, he's done. Double jeopardy. The jury has been impaneled. Jeopardy has attached. Conspiracy to commit murder. The underlying
it's
elements.
The same facts.
It's the underlying offense and elements. I mean, come on.
That feels like it's a separate
Jeopardy.
That feels like it's a second bite at the apple.
It's not legal
Jeopardy.
It's not legally the same charge. The only thing that you would have to say that the state knew and basically forfeited the issue, but it's a legally distinct charge. Conspiracy. You can be charged. You can be convicted of conspiracy and the murder. They're legally distinct. So it's technically not double jeopardy because it's not the same charge. So the thing that you would be now going to is the fact that it's from the same underlying criminal transaction. But if the state, through no fault of its own, didn't have evidence, they could theoretically charge conspiracy again in the future.
Oh, that. I see where you're going with that logically. That is so stretchy. That is so stretchy.
Yeah. You can't be twice charged with the same crime, but they're legally distinct crimes. In case you're curious why they're legally distinct crimes, by the way, for two crimes to be the same, or let me do it the other way around. For two crimes to be distinct, they each have to have an element the other does not. So, for example, in most jurisdictions, although not all, second degree is a lesser included of first, and third is a lesser included of second. The reason it's lesser included is because it loses an element. So, for example, first degree murder might require 5 things. Second degree murder requires 4 things. Third degree murder requires 3 things. So the reason they're not legally distinct is because they don't each require something the other does not. So all first degree murders are second degree, are third degree.
Yes.
Is how many states they're written. So the reason that conspiracy is legally distinct is because they each have elements the other does not. And so they're legally distinct. So it is not the same charge for double jeopardy purposes. So that was way too much legal education at this time of night.
You got to have a set of stones. You have to have a set of stones to charge that after if you get an acquittal.
Yeah. No, that's a bold move, Cotton.
Yep.
You're gonna have a judge with opinions.
Yep.
Yeah. but because they emerge from the same criminal transaction, which is a loose definition,
the killing of a person.
Yeah, because they emerge from the same criminal transaction, in order to get past that issue, the state would basically have to show that it came into evidence through no fault of its own, that it couldn't have had access to after the fact.
It could not have through a diligent investigation.
Yeah, so it's
good freaking luck.
Yeah. So there is a mechanism to stop the abuse, but it's not a constitutional mechanism. So
when I say stretchy, that's stretchy. That is
follow the law, baby. Follow the law.
That is tough. Okay. So Lynn Coates, there's your answer.